Three.
Hi guys, I'm Monica. I'm 5 years old. Yep.
Today,
I learn about animals. I show you guys cat animal. What you like? It has fish. Everyone who we can. Fish. Other way.
hurry up. Okay. Animal.
Tiger.
Okay.
Monkey.
Monkey.
This is the monkey out, but like to eat the banana.
Okay. Animal.
Duck like to swim on the river.
Okay.
Snail like hide in the cell.
Show me what is that?
Snail.
Oh, okay. I know snail.
He likes to go in her home night.
Animal.
Panda like to eat bamboo.
Hurry up.
Pig like to play onto the metal. Pig.
One more.
Penguin like to play onto the snow
Okay.
and like to swim.
Mm-hmm.
Whale like to swim under the water and fish. Seahorse like to. Dolphin like to swim underwater and they jump into the water too. Frog like play on the leaf water. That's a no. Bunny like to eat carrot and hop.
Bunny and what? Anything else? Bunny? Rabbit.
I would like to fly on the moon.
Hurry up.
What is this? Peach?
No.
A jamsa.
Peacock.
Peacock. Peacock like the two in the top to way. Saki. Oh, I like lion. Oh, I don't like it. Lion like to roar.
Okay.